This is a review of the Bootstrap Farmer 1020 black tray with humidity dome in the 2-pack. And this is a really solid foundation for anyone starting growing. Bootstrap Farmer brands are very heavy duty. And I've used these for 3 years already, and I'm going to be able to use these for many, many more years. City domes come with ventilation, and the trays are so heavy duty, and they have, these are the no hole design. So then that way you can bottom water. And I absolutely love these. They have saved so many of my seedlings during transporting from inside to outside, especially when hardening off. I just feel like these are a great investment into our growing future. I really feel like these help navigate us away from single-use plastics, and to me that's really important. So these are good quality, durable, heavy duty seed starting supply, and I can't recommend them enough.